Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the minor project. In this particular, session, I will discuss about the problem statement regarding the data details and the goals of the case study and a result expected. In the next video, I'll give the concrete solution of this particular minor project. Fine. Now, problem statement. Basically, this project is all about to find out the lead. Then I can say the business case study. Okay, so for example, think about an educational company named X Education. Okay, sells online courses to industry professionals. On any given day, many professionals who are interested in the course land on their website and browse for courses. Anyone. Okay. The company markets its courses on several websites, search engine, and even social media sometimes. Let's say Facebook, WhatsApp, any different platform like Instagram and all. Once these people land on the website, they might browse the courses, fill out a form for the course, or watch some video. When these people fill out a form with their email address or phone number, they are classified as lead. Okay, what is telling? For example, you might have said whenever you are enrolled in any of the online courses, you will see that there is a form they have given. You have fill your first name, last name, email ID, contact number, and all. Once you submit the bottom, all your details will go and store in their database. Okay. Then by taking your phone number or email ID, they will try to contact. So okay, once you have filled the form with their email address or phone number, they are classified as lead means once you give your details, now will be classified as lead. Moreover, the company also gets lead through past referral. Okay, once these lead are acquired, employees from the sales team start making call, writing email, etc. Through this process, some of the lead get converted into successful sales, while most of the lead do not. The typically lead to successful sales conversion rate at X education is around 30%. So what is telling, let's say 100 people land in the web pages, out of which, let's say, few people they give their details, or maybe you can consider all the 100 people they give their details. Then by taking the contact number and email ID, the salesperson, the people from sales team, they'll try to contact each and every lead. Then out of those 100 people, let's say 30 people converted into their particular student. I mean, they have enrolled, successfully enrolled. So that ratio, that will lead to conversion ratio, lead to successful sales conversion ratio is 30%. Okay, that's what it's telling. Now, although X education gets a lot of leads, even though, as we have seen, 100 people lands on the website, or maybe it gets 100 leads, but its lead to sell conversion rate is very poor, because out of 100, only 30 people are joining in that organization, or they are taking the online course. For example, if they acquire 100 leads in a day, only about 30 of them are converted into successful sales. To make this process more efficient, the company wishes to identify the most potential lead, also known as hot lead. If they successfully identify this set of lead, the lead conversion rate would be go up, as the sales team would now be focusing more on communicating with a potential lead rather than making call to everyone. A typical lead conversion process can be represented using the following diagram. You can see the following. Okay, what is happening? Social media platform, any of the social media platform, from there, by seeing the ads, they are coming to the actual website, which is called initial pool of lead, because they are coming to website and give their contact details, first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, address, everything. Then what is happening? The sales team, by nurturing the leads detail, they'll try to find out who are comes under hot leads. then they will try to focus on those hot leads. They'll try to call them instead of calling to everyone. Now, the sales to leads to sales conversion ratio will be increased. You can these many leads are converted. These many leads are converted. Okay, to sales. You can see there are a lot of leads generated in the initial stage. The initial pool of leads, but only a few of them come out as paying customer from the bottom. Converter leads. In the middle stage, lead nurturing. You need to nurture the potential lead well. That is, educate the leads about the product, constantly communicate, etc. in order to get a higher lead conversion. This education has appointed you to help them select the most promising lead, means hot lead, who are comes under hot lead. That is the leads that are most likely to convert into paying customer. The company require you to build a model wherein you need to assign a lead score to each of the lead such that the customer with a higher lead score have a higher conversion chance and the customer with a lower lead score have a lower conversion chance. The CEO in particular has given a ballpark estimate of the target lead conversion rate as being around 80%. So by selecting those hot lead, now the lead to sell conversion ratio increase up to 80%. Okay, the typical data I have already shown you. That's why I don't want to show you here. Okay, which I have shown you in the class. You can follow. It contains approximately 900 data points. I've sent you two different Excel sheets. One is metadata information, where it give the information about all the columns. What does it mean? The description about each and every column. Another Excel sheet I have shown you, which contains the actual data. Okay, so in the actual data, you will find out around almost 900 rows are there. Okay, this data set consists of various attributes such as leads, source, total time spent on the website, total visit, last activity, etc., which may or may not be useful in ultimately deciding whether a lead will be converted or not. The target variable in this case is the column that is converted, which tells whether a past lead was converted or not, where 1 means it was converted and 0 means it was not converted. So basically it's a binary classification, or I can say classification problem statement, where you need to find a particular lead has been converted or not. If it is converted, then define represent it as 0. Sorry, 1. If it is not converted, then define it as by putting 0 under the column converted, which is a target column for us. You can learn more about the dataset from the data dictionary provided in the zip folder, which I have already showed you inside the class. Another thing is that you also need to check out is the label, present in the categorical variables. Many of the categorical variables has a label called select, which needs to be handled because it is as good as a null value. Right. Okay, we have already discussed inside the class. Now, what is the goal of the case study? These are the quite, few goals for this case study. There are follows, like, as I told you, build a logistic regression model to assign the lead score between 0 to 100 to each of the lead, which can be used by the company to target potential lead or the hot lead. A higher score would mean that the lead is hot, that is most likely to convert, whereas a lower score would means that the lead is cold and will mostly not get converted. Now, once you have built the logistic regression, then there are some more problem present by the company that your model should be able to adjust to if the company's requirement change in the future. So you will need to handle this as well. These problems are provided in the separate document file. Please fill it out based on the logistic regression model you got in the first step. Also, make sure you include this in your final PowerPoint presentation where you will get recommendation. Right. Once you will complete everything and how you will showcase the result expected basically with well commented Jupyter notebook will at least logistic regression modeling, the conversion prediction, and the evaluation metrics. That's you have to do in the Jupyter notebook. A Word document filled with a solution to all the problem statement and overall approach of analysis in a presentation which should be included the following, like mention the problem statement and the analysis approach directly, but how I have written here, the problem statement and all. Okay, you have to mention that first. And then explain the result in the business term. Okay, include visualization and summarize the most important result in the presentation. Okay, at least a 500 word summary report explaining how you approach the assignment and the lesson you have learned, how you have implemented whatever you have learned in this problem statement. Okay, guys, this point clear? Any doubt? So this is just the explanation about the problem statement, about the mini project, I can say, minor project. So the solution I will give in the next video, that is part 2 video. Okay, with this, thank you so much. Have a nice day.